Okay, let's do our homework. And the first one is we know the volume, and then we need to find out the volume of the cone. So it's V equals to 1/3, 27, and it's equals to 9 square feet. And the B, a cone has a volume of 6, and we need to find the cylinder, value of cylinder. So V equals to 3 times 6 equals to 18 feet square. And for C, we have a rectangular prism, and the value is 300 cubic inches. And now we need to find out the pyramid. So V equals to 1/3 times 300, so it's 100 cubic inches. And now we have a right pyramid about 39, so we need to find out the prism. So it's V equals to 3 times 39 equals to 117 cubic millimeter. And number 2, and we need to sketch the figures and calculate the volume and the nearest to whole number. Okay, so the first one is like this. So its height is 10, 8. So the radius is 8 and height is 10, so V equals to 1/3 pi r square times h. So it equals to 1/3 pi 8 square times h equals to B. So the height is 12, so which is this one, and the side is 18. So V equals to 1/3 the base area times height, so it's 1/3 18 squared times 12, and equals to 1296. And the slide height is 10, and the diameter is 12, and the radius is 6. And then we need to find the height for here so is the height square equals to 10 square minus 6 square, height equals to 8. And then the volume equals to 1/3 pi r square h is 1/3 pi 36 times 8 equals to 3. And for D, and so it's 51 the slide height minus 45 square equals to the radius square. So the radius is 24, and the volume equals to 1/3 pi. For the height is 8.4 and the base area is 35, so it's volume equals to 1/3. So number 4, the first we need to draw the net of this pyramid. Okay, determine the surface area of pyramid. So surface area equals to 18 times 8 is the rectangle plus, and for the top and down for the 2 square is 2 1/2, 13 times 18, and then for the left and right, okay, so the final answer is and now see calculate the height of the pyramid and then find out the volume. So we can find the height, we can use this way, and this is 13.5 and then find the height, or we can use this 9.15 and find the height, both okay. So we can write like, I can use this way. Okay, number 5. And number 5, we have the height, we have the cylinder. And number 5, we have the height, we have the cylinder. We need to find out the r radius. So it's 25 square minus 24 square equals to r square. So r is 7. So the v equals to and for the surface area equals to okay, for the next one we have the diameter. So we have this one is 6, and we need to find out the cylinder. So it's 14 square plus 6 square equals to the cylinder square. So the cylinder equals to square root 232, and then for the v equals to okay, number 8. And number 8 is a pyramid, and then for its base is a square 450 meters, and then the height, so we need to find the volume. So it's very easy, so just 1/3, and the base area times height is 1/3. And number 9, oh, still like pyramid, and we have the volume and we have the height. So because this is square, so we need to decide the length for the base. So it's volume okay for this one, and determine the exact value, and for this part exact value, and just keep the answer under the square root. And we want to find the square volume and the surface area of the right pyramid, and the height is square root 3, and the base is a hexagonal base with a 6 side of V2. So this one is like and this one is similar to the example in the class. So, and we need to find out the base area and for it. And this h is the height of the volume, height of the pyramid. So it's h equals to square root 3. Okay. And then for the for here, and this part is square root 3, and then for the height is square root 3. We need to find out the hypotenuse. So it's square root 3 square plus. This is slender height. So, and for this one, the triangle, and this is square root 6, and then the base is 2. So the area is and we have 6 this part, so the surface area equals the base 6 square root 3 plus 6 times square root 6. So, and this one is the final answer. And for this one we read, and this is a cone, and the diameter is 23 feet, so R is 11.5 feet, and the height is 9.2. And we need to find the volume. Okay, so for this part and for the cubic meter, and we need to do the we need to convert the feet to meter later. Okay, so the first one is volume. And then based on the unit analysis, and then we need to cube. $15 is a cone, so the radius is 10. The volume is 3,800. So this is 10. And we need to find out the height.